Hello everyone, it's Ralph, the London technician. This film is about the stroke journey, as you are aware already in the intro. Today, in this video, you can see how I have improved through the healing process. It's quite interesting that some of my occupational therapists and say I'm healing quickly, and I'd like to thank you for praying for me. I believe that your prayer has been answered, and I could see that I'm getting better every day, and thank you very much for you. I also like to thank my OT and my PT, my physical therapist and the occupational therapist, for diligently coming to my place and checking on me and giving me exercises and stretching exercises, which a few of them was on this clip, on this video, the video clips. Sorry if I have like a pause, sometimes my brain freeze. Anyway, because perhaps of the stroke, so it's like, oh, what I'm gonna say next. Anyway. But I'd just like to thank everybody who is watching me here and for following the stroke journey that I have, and who's been supporting me with my YouTube channel and watching the content that I'm trying to create here. In this YouTube channel, I don't have a niche. It's just like everything that comes along my way, every thought I have, because I'm using this channel as a bank for my memories, and I'm planning to make a lot of more content that comes into my head, and I just put it here, because if I buy, it's cheaper this way, because YouTube, you give in your hard drive, and it's costly because you have to buy hard drive. If you full, and then you have to buy another one, and I'm sometimes using micro SD. And how much is one micro SD with like 128 gigabytes? It's already around 16 pounds, something like that. So it's more costly than doing this in YouTube. So I'm very thankful with YouTube for allowing me to put my content free in their platform. And then some of you that are following what I'm trying to do, thank you very much for you. And I really appreciate it that you have subscribed to my channel, and thank you. I wasn't even expecting that, but at first I was asking people to subscribe, just for fun. I'm trying to imitate other people as well when they make their content, but for at the moment I was like, okay, well, whatever it goes. If you like it, then it's up to you. So I'm not trying to force you to like, okay, come on, subscribe. No. Just leave it to you guys, if you like it. Sometimes I make a slog. I call it a slog. It's a song blog. So I used to make a song and then try to express that and bring out the music using different tools like AI and other tools around the end. I cannot mention all of that, but it's fun. And then when I get the music, I lay it as like a background for the things that I'm doing, how I started it. And probably if you go to my YouTube channel and you get scrolling and looking for the videos, I got lots of videos there already, like V-clips, and some is funny, some are not, or whatever it is. But it's up to you guys, But if you're following me, I'll thank you for that. It's nice also to be, that somebody get interested with the content that you're creating. Anyway, my main purpose here is to thank my OT and my PT. Yeah, and I made a song also for this video. It will be on the background, and this song is for I'm being grateful to the people that support me and standing with me through my stroke journey. Stroke is not easy. Better now, but I still have a shoulder pain when I try to raise my shoulder like this. Yeah, but I think it's getting better. Yeah. Before it's hard for me to do this one, but now I can just stretch it that way. I'm not trying to punch you guys, but, just okay, okay. So I have these exercises with me, and some of the things that I do, like even tying my shoe, you can see it here. But anyway, cheers, guys. Let's go to the clips and catch up with you next video that I'm trying to make. I'll see you there. Yeah, and thank you very much for your support. And if you get interested and you subscribe to my channel, thank you as well. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Cheers.
In the quiet of the morning light, you're there to help me fight. With every challenge that I face, you guide me through this healing space. Step by step, you lift me high. With your patience, I touch the sky. Through every struggle, every tear, your encouragement makes it clear. Together we rise, together we stand. With your hard work, I'll take your hand. Each session brings a spark of hope. With your strength, I learn to cope. You see the light inside my heart. With every movement, a brand new start. Step by step, you lift
Hello,
me
everybody.
high.
This is my
With your
physical therapist, occupational therapist. It's Sandra. Yeah, so this morning we're doing our walking, so I could recover from my stroke. Yeah, and they're helping. They're very good. Helping. You want to say something, Sandra?
Yeah, I'm just going to say you're doing absolutely great. It's amazing. So we'll just continue walking all the way down.
Yeah.
And we're focusing on our gait pattern, so our heel right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So remember when we're walking.
So I want to show you that I hope that I could encourage you. Whoever you are, if you have also a stroke, just go on, work with your OT, your PT,
Yeah,
and just work with everybody who wants to work with you.
for sure.
know,
You need
But,
to stay motivated.
Yeah, that's one thing. That's our goals. So, cheers, everyone. Have a good day.
Your encouragement makes it clear. Together we rise, together we stand. With your hard work, I'll take your hand. So here's to you, my guiding stars, for all the battles near and far. With every step I'm on my way, thanks to you, I'm here to stay. drops on me like a shadow. The darkest night, dragging me in pain, stealing my light. An enemy so strong, it tries to take my soul. But deep inside me, there's a fire aglow. Fight the stroke, make a move, stay focused, find your groove. The victory feels out of reach. Sympathy's here, it's time to teach. No backup plan, just me in this fight. A battle within, but I won't lose sight. Despair whispers low, but hope starts to rise. I brace myself now, I'm ready to defy. Fight the stroke, make a move, stay focused, find your groove. The victory feels out of reach. Sympathy's here, it's time to teach. Every step is heavy, every breath a climb, but I'll stand my ground, I will not resign. With every heartbeat I'll push through the pain. This is my story, I'll break every chain. Fight the stroke, make a move, stay focused, find your groove. The victory feels out of reach. Sympathy's here, it's time to teach. Hey. So here I am, standing tall. With every struggle, I will not fall. The darkness face, I'll find my way. Fighting the stroke, I'm here to stay.
Hey there friend, let's start to groove. Stretch your arms, get in the mood. Twist and turn, shake off the stress. Feel that energy, give it your best. Get moving, feel that beat. Stronger muscles from head to feet. Jump and sway, let's hit the floor. With every move, you want more. Time to quick go, let's go, go, go. Squats and lunges, steal the show. Reach for the sky, shoulders high. Circles and strokes, let your spirit fly. Get moving and feel that beat. Stronger muscles from head to feet. Jump and sway, let's hit the floor. With every move, you want more. Hips so light, let's make them sway. Side to side, dance the day away. Knees down low, let's get it right. Bend and lift, feel the power ignite. Stretch it out one last time. Release the tension, feel sublime. Let the burn pay body and mind. Rain of rest, leave worries behind. Back and movement, feel that beat. Stronger muscles from head to feet. Jump and sway, let's hit the floor. With every move, you want more. You've got the strength, you've got the drive. Keep on pushing, feel alive. Every step, a victory glide. Your body's changing, eternal shine. Let me know if you got any tweaks or changes. Search, organize, conquer, within. Hey there, let's shake it up. Feel the rhythm, give it a pop. Wiggle and waggle, twist and shout. Let's get moving inside and out. Move your body, feel the beat. Stronger muscles, head to feet. Jump and jive, dance and play. Happy vibes every day. Every day. Bend and stretch, reach for the sky. Twirl and spin, let's fly high. Pop your hands, stomp your feet. Feel the groove, can't be beat. Move your body, feel the beat. Stronger muscles, head to feet. Jump and jive, dance and play. Happy vibes every day. Every day. Bend and stretch, reach for the sky. Twirl and spin, let's fly high. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Feel the groove, can't be beat. Move your body, feel the beat. Stronger muscles, head to feet. Jump and jive, dance and play. Happy vibes every day. Squats and lunges, strong and bold. Feel the energy, young and old. Shake your booty, spin around. Let's dance together, joy unbound. Move your body, feel the beat. Stronger muscles, head to feet. Jump and jive, dance and play. Happy vibes every day. Smile and laugh, let loose and free. Happy bodies, happy me. Line up, side to side. Let's move together, take that ride. Move your body, feel the beat. Stronger muscles, head to feet. Jump and jive, dance and play. Happy vibes every day. So come on now, don't be shy. Let's get moving, you and I. Together we're wild and carefree. Move your body, feel the beat. Stronger muscles, head to feet. Jump and jive, dance and play. Happy vibes every day. Let's keep it fun, let's keep it bright. Moving and grooving day and night. Together we shine, let's make some noise. Happy hearts, oh what a choice.
Maybe after Nokia.
When you go classical. Your time with me up to the end of this video, and I hope to see you on my next video with my stroke journey, and you can see a lot of improvements there. And thank you very much once again, and have a nice day. Cheers. See you next time. Be there. Thank you.